Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Hyundai Tucson tail light using an easy method. Before we begin, let's gather a few simple tools. You'll primarily need a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm socket wrench, depending on your specific model. Sometimes, a plastic trim removal tool can also be helpful for gently prying components. Always make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is completely off before starting any work. Now, let's get started. First, open your vehicle's rear cargo tailgate door. This will give you clear access to the tail light assembly. Look closely at the inner edge of the tail light housing where it meets the vehicle body. You should find 2 screws or bolts there. Using your Phillips head screwdriver or 10mm socket, carefully loosen and remove these 2 fasteners. Keep them in a safe place so they don't get lost. Once the screws are out, the next step is to gently detach the entire tail light assembly. It's held in place by a few alignment pins or clips, so you'll need to pull it straight back from the vehicle. If it feels a bit stubborn, try wiggling it gently from side to side while pulling. Remember, patience is key here. Avoid using excessive force to prevent breaking any plastic tabs or damaging the vehicle's paintwork. With the tail light assembly free, you'll see the electrical connector attached. Simply press the small release tab and pull to disconnect it. Now you can easily access and replace any bulbs or swap out the entire assembly if needed. To reinstall, just reverse these steps. Reconnect the electrical harness, align the assembly's pins, push it firmly into place, and secure it with the 2 screws. Double-check that everything is snug and working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.